In this video, we will start building our sign up view, okay? Here on the finish app, if we hit on this sign up button, as you guys can see, we are redirected to this sign up screen, okay? So in this video, we will focus on this view, okay? So if we go back inside our code, here on this views folder, what we want to do, we want to create a new file, and it's gonna to be a SwiftUI view. And for the name, we can call it sign up view. We hit on create, and here we have our sign up view, okay? So if we go back on this login view and I pull up this on sign up view again, as you guys can see, the sign up view and the login view are pretty similar, okay? So in this video, we will do a lot of copy and paste, okay? So if we go back on this login view, what we need this background, okay, and we also need this v stack, and we also need this rounded rectangle, okay? So we can copy everything, and here instead of this text, what we want to do, we want to paste what we just copied, okay? And we should close our parentheses. So here we can close this one for this v stack, and we also need to close this one for this background view. So this one, and normally we are supposed to be good, okay? And as you guys can see, we're able to have a background view, and we can also have this rounded rectangle, okay, which is perfect. Now what we need to do, we need to add another overlay, okay, because we need this one, this title, and this description. So guess what we can do, we can go back here and we can copy this overlay. Hold on, we can copy this text, okay? So let's copy this one, and here if we go back on this sign up view, what we want to add this overlay, and inside our overlay, what we want to add a v stack, okay? So it's gonna to be v stack, and now inside this v stack, what we can do, we can paste this text, okay? And as you guys can see, we have this on login, but here we don't want login. What we want is sign up. Okay, perfect. And the next thing we want to add our description, okay? This discover the wonders of Canada. So if we go back on this login view, we can also copy this, and we go back on this sign up view, and after this text, we can paste it, okay? And here we don't want this text, but what we want is discover the wonders of Canada. Okay, perfect. Now as you guys can see, this one is center, but in our finish app, you don't want it at the center of the app, okay? We want it on the left side, okay? So what we can do in order to fix it, we can come here on this v stack and play with the alignment, okay? So here on this v stack, what we can do, we can specify the alignment, and let's say we want it to be on that leading. Let's see, but as you guys can see, it's still it's not putting this v stack to the leading of the screen, okay? Simply because as you guys can see, this overlay, okay, this v stack is centered inside this overlay, okay? So this one, that leading, we simply put it at the leading of this v stack, okay? So what we want to do, we want to specify to this overlay that the content we have inside this overlay should be at the left, okay, on the left side. So how can we do that? In order to do that, let's remove this one first, and here after this v stack, we can provide an alignment, and we want to specify that this alignment should be that leading, okay? And normally you should push this to on the leading, okay? And I think we still need, I don't know why we still have this gap for our sign up, and we didn't add any padding. So on this v stack, if we add the alignment again, let's see, so alignment, and specify it to be leading. Okay, now it's working. And now what we need some padding here, okay? So on this v stack, what we can do, we can add that padding. Okay, perfect. And now in order for us to push this to the top, what we can do on this on VStack, at the end we can add on this spacer. So spacer, and normally it's supposed to push this to the top, okay? And as you guys can see, is getting closer to our finished app, okay? But if you guys have noticed here, when pasting this text, this sign up text, okay, these properties, what I mean by properties is this font and this foreground color is the same for our sign up view. It's also the same for our login view, and it's also the same for our welcome view, okay? And as good developers, what we don't want to duplicate our code, okay? Why? Because let's say maybe tomorrow we want to change this, okay, into another font, okay? We want to change it into a whole app, and we don't want to copy and paste this many times, okay? So we want to kind of add a style, okay, for all of our title, so that if we will have to change it later on, we can simply change it in one place, and that change should affect the whole app, okay? So that's actually what we will do in the next video. So in the next video, we will move this into a specific font or style, okay? And we'll simply apply that style to all of our title, okay? So we will apply this to this login title, we will apply it to this welcome title, and we will also apply it to this sign up view title, okay? So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.